So welcome back to this section. For this section, we'll be looking at Power BI interface. Okay, let's see exactly how Power BI looks. So you open your software, it's coming up. So let's wait for it to load. I'm going to fast forward it to when it has opened. All right, stay with me. Okay, so we have our Power BI interface now. So once you open the software, this is what you will see first. This is new actually. This is what you see first. So we have different ways to bring in your data, to import your data. You have the open. That's if you already have an existing a project you've already done before. You can open it here. You can also go to home. Okay, so all right. So now this time now, so this is the interface. Now we'll just click on get data from other source, so we can get to the interface. I'm going to explain this later. So this is our interface right now. This is how Power BI looks here. So this is your board where every chart, every of your work will be displayed. So this is it. This is this part here. So we have the home button. From here we have the get data. You can get your data. So you have 99 sources where you can get your data. You can get your data from as an Excel workbook. You can get it from SQL, which I will teach you later. Please, in case I forget, remind me. All right, so we have a lot of them. Okay, we have a lot of them where you can get your data. Okay, so for this lesson, this is the where to get your data. So we also have where you can get your text box, your new visual. That's to get. Is it that you click on this to get a new visual, or you can equally get it from here. You understand? So let's move on to this part now. So this is where you get all the charts. All the charts you'll be using for your visualization. This is the box that has it. Then we can also see our filters. All right, so there are times where you wouldn't want to see some things, then you want to keep some. This is where you can do the filtering. Okay, you can also use something like called slides. I'm going to explain that later. So let me bring down this. So let me close this, and then this part is this is where you will find your data. When you import your data, this is where you find it. Okay, you can have it here for your manipulation. All right, so these are the things you need to know. Then let's come here. So this particular area indicates your dashboard. Why this is your table, the data you just imported. So this is where for now nothing is displaying, right? Because there's no data right now, so it's showing nothing now. Then this last one is your pivots. So in some cases you will have more than 2 data sets. So this is where you can see the connection. All right. So that's basically everything you need to know. This is the interface for Power BI. Then we also have insert. You can also, from this place here, you can insert your new visual, which I already showed you before. You can also do other things here. You can insert your text box. You can also put some buttons if you want. There are some buttons you can indicate here if you want to use your left arrow, your left arrow, your right arrow, and all of that. And you can also add shapes too if you want. You can also impute images too. All right, so this is it. Then you can also, and for this help here, Power BI offers this guided learning where you can learn. They can teach you, they can guide you also to learn through. And they also have training videos where you can go and watch. So they have documentations of what other people have already written that you can watch and also get better. So if you need support, they're always there for you. And Power BI is a whole lot, you know. So these are the basic things I think you need to kickstart your learning in Power BI. So we also have the file. From file, you can get your settings where you can make your preferred settings that you want for your Power BI interface. So these are basically everything you need to know, the interface of Power BI. Then below here we have you can add different tabs. So you can add different pages. Okay, more than as much as you want. Okay, let's say I want to work here. I want to move on. Let's assume I want to work. Let me just do one. I want to work here. So I have this here. Okay, in the next tab, I want to do another one. I want to do something else. So you see, I still have my pages. I have this page. I have this page. You can also add as much as you want. So that's basically the Power BI interface. I hope this was very simple. All right, so we'll move on now to the next one on our list. Let's see what we have next on our list. On our list now, we have, let's see how to import data into Power BI. See you in the next class.